Alright everybody, so this is the Master Lock 141 40 millimeter. Try to give this a little pick. This one can be a little bit tricky at times too. I'm not 100% sure if there's a security pin in here or not, but I don't think there is. But click out of 3. It's 3 again. It feels like 1 is binding. Oh, maybe not. Hoping it didn't overset. Nope, there we go. And then this one's actually fairly easy to rake as well. Just super light tension using a rake. And there it is. I think raking is actually easier. But that's the Master Lock 141.